Okay, so I'm here, the rims are done, the brakes are on. Here are the Falken Zenith FK510s. There's a pattern on them. It is a summer sport tire. And I went with these. So the reason I went with the Falken Zenith is because they're so close to all the performance levels as the Michelin PS4 S's and the Goodyear, you know, their top models and all those other brands that are really up there. Their performance is so close, and but the price is over $100 each less. Looking forward to taking them out on the road, and I haven't shown you a full review of the rims, my new rims yet, on purpose to tease you until it's down, and then you get a good view of the car with the new rims, guys. It looks pretty sick. Okay, so they're on, the car's down. Let's have a look at the new rims. Outside it's raining, so we're doing this inside. What do you think, guys and gals? Did I pimp it out too much, or are they just right amount of sickness and off the hook, as Chris Tucker likes to say? I think because of the black, all the black around it, the red is not as strong. If it was an all red rim, it would be tacky, but I think it turned out pretty sick, guys. Sick. Off the hook. I think it'd be a little bit too tacky, but they look amazing because of all the black around it as well. So it's in the red inlay. If it was all red, it would be I think gaudy, but with the black and the red inlay, I think it came out nice.